Q-Layers is a company focused on applying coatings automatically on industrial surfaces in a very efficient, controlled and sustainable way. We joined the Paint the Future Accelerator program of AkzoNobel, and we actually won the program.
Q-Layers!
And that brought us a collaboration agreement with AkzoNobel.
The type of support that we've been giving them is very pragmatic, which is just supplying them with paint, for example, for free. But also practicalities that have to do with how do you handle paint, how do you prevent a system from, for example, cluttering up. But also what we did is they lacked a professional spraying booth. So we financed a spraying booth for them and helped them out in the specification of that. And even further, more on the business side, help them out with market insights, understanding the market dynamics, the customers, and also doing sizing exercises for what is the potential size of the market that they want to operate in.
For startups, it's often very difficult to work together with corporates, but the partnership with AkzoNobel was very pleasant for us. I found AkzoNobel very dynamic, actually, very supportive, and we have a lot of contacts with different departments.
Paint the Future was started up with the intent not to better AkzoNobel primarily, but really to look at the whole value chain and to see how we can make it more efficient, more sustainable as well. And the Paint the Future platform, which is constantly expanding in time still with the different programs that it runs, has a huge reach in many segments of the paints and coatings industry.
So in principle, every value chain starts with materials and services. You don't think about it, but when you look around it, all the services are coated. All industrial services are coated. And if we change the way they are coated, but also the paint itself, we actually change the whole world.
Well, the future for AkzoNobel with this collaboration is really a sustainable one. With this technology and the way our products will be applied, we really make a step change in making application of coatings more efficient, but also much more safer. And that's where we're heading to.
I see a future full of paints and coatings that are applied in a very efficient and sustainable way with no waste and in a very controlled way. So gathering data about the process and improving it constantly. And in addition, I see a future full of functional services. So services can add so much more to the assets and to the asset owners. And I hope that we are going to make every service multifunctional in the future.